Hello children, welcome back to our English classes. So children, this is your English teacher Dinesh sir. And children, today we are going to learn about a topic from English grammar. Alright children, so let's start the topic. So children, today we are going to learn about naming words. Alright, let me repeat this again, naming words. So let me tell you something about naming words. So children, all persons, places, animals and things have names, right? These naming words are called nouns. For example, table, boy, park, snake, crown, man, etc. are naming words. Means children, anything in this world has a specific name, right? For example, you are a student, so student is a name, right? So it is a noun, and you have your name as well. For example, Rahul, then Rahul can be your name as well. Like you can also see the birds, the animals, right? All those birds and animals, they all have their names. You also can see that there are many places in this world, places where you live, places where you study, places where you go to check up your health, right? All the places, they all have their names, right? So children, let me tell you something more about the names. For example, this is a names of persons, right? So these are the names of persons, names of people. This is a person who works in a farm, so he is a farmer. This is a person, right, who protects us, so he is a policeman. Here we have mother, father, doctor. All they are people. They are all persons and they have their names, right? So that's why they are called names of persons. Now children, we have names of places. So this is a school. This you can see a beautiful beach over here, and this you can see a hospital, right? So you can see that there are places, right? So apart from this also, there are many other places like cities, towns, villages, countries, continents, right? All those are names of places. And here we have children, names of animals and birds. Like this is a bear, this is a lion, this is a parrot, this is a peacock, right? So you can say that all the animals and birds, they have names, and names of those animals and birds, they are called naming words of animals and birds, right? Let's have some more examples. So children, these are the names of things. For example, fruit, an apple, pen, chair, bowl, cup, right? All these things are, things that you play with, you eat with, right? That you drink something, that you sit on. All around us you can see that there are many things, right, that we can touch them, right? So these are the naming words of things. Alright children? Now children, let's have some more examples to understand the naming words of places, persons, animals and birds and things. Alright children, so here we have one exercise called these are the pictures of some persons. Choose their names from the box and write in the given spaces. So here we have some words in this cloud box, right? Like teacher, doctor, tailor, girl, painter, cobbler. So here you have to identify the picture, and according to that picture you have to name it. So what's this picture about? So this is a picture of a girl, and this is a picture of cobbler, And what is this? Who is here? She is teaching someone something, right? So she is a teacher. And here you can see that he is a doctor. And what about here? Here you can see that he is a painter. And in this picture you can see that he is a tailor. So girl, cobbler, teacher, doctor, painter, tailors. Can you name them? What types of naming words are they? So they are all naming words of persons, right? And like this, there are others also, like mother, father, brother, sister, gatekeeper, maid, driver, etc. are names of some persons. As I have already told you, that naming words of people is called naming words of persons, right? Let's have some more examples. So the second exercise here is that can you name these places with the help of given words? So children, here one sentence is there and you have to identify one word for the sentence. For example, here you go when you are ill. Ill means sick. So when do you go when you are sick? We go to clinic, right? And then second one, here you see many animals and birds. Where do you see many animals and birds, children? Where? Yes, the right answer is zoo. And third one is, here you go to study. Where do you go to study? You go to study at school. Right, cool. So now fourth one, here you go to play. Where do you go to play, children? You go to play at park. So the right answer is park. And here your mom cooks food. Now tell me, children, where your mother does cook food? So your mother cooks food at kitchen, right? Even my mother cooks food at the kitchen. Alright, let's move on to the next exercise. Alright, so the fourth exercise is that solve these riddles to find the names of these things. Alright, so we have some pictures here and we have to find out their names by using the riddles, right? So the first riddle here is that I shine in the sky. I give you heat and light. I am the... Can you guess, children? What is this? I am the sun. Good. Now the second one here is you need me to eat food. I am a spoon. Yes, spoon it is a tool. It is a thing that we use to eat with, right? Then third one here is you need me to write. I am a... What is this? You need this one to write down, right? To write something in your notebooks. The correct answer is pencil. Alright, very nice, children. Let's move on to the next exercise. Alright, children. So here we have another exercise which read the given words and put them in right place. So here we have many words, children, and we have to diversify all these names as per persons, places, animals and birds and things. Alright, children, मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ अगेन. ये सारे हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स हैं, राइट? ये सारे हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स को नेमिंग वर्ड में आपको डिवाइड करना है. मतलब कि इसमें से जो नेमिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ पर्सन्स है वो यहाँ लिखेंगे, फिर नेमिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ प्लेसेस है वो यहाँ लिखेंगे, फिर नेमिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स है वो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे, एंड नेमिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ थिंग्स है वो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. Alright, so let's find out naming words of persons. How many naming words of persons are there? For example, gardener. Yes, here we have gardener. Then student. Yes, we have student. Then grocer. We have grocer also. Then we have policeman. We have policeman also here. So all these are naming words of persons. Now let's find out the naming words of places. So the naming words of places are garden, yes, mall, yes, we have mall here, office, we have office, yes, church, Yes, very nice. So we have chairs as well. Where is it? Here it is. Now naming words of animals and birds. Monkey. Yes, we have monkey. Then we have snail. Then we have giraffe. Alright. We have goose. Now naming words of things. We have van. Alright. We have van. Basket. We have basket. Phone. Alright. Phone. Eraser. Right. So children, now all these are naming words of things, animals and birds, places and persons. You have to learn all these names as per their types. Alright. Now let's move on to the next exercise, children. So the next exercise here is choose the correct naming words and fill in the blanks. So here we have a fill in the blanks and we have two options. Out of them we have to choose which is correct one. Alright, so the first one here is a dash gives you medicine. Who gives you medicine? Doctor or plumber? Alright, it's very easy. Doctor is the right answer, right? Now second one, and dash has a long trunk. Who has a long trunk? Bear or an elephant? Obviously the answer is elephant. Now third one we have, we see with our dash. We see with our ears or eyes? We see with our eyes. Very nice. Now the fourth one here is dash is an indoor game. Ludo or hockey? Can you guess the answer, children? Ludo is an indoor game, children. Alright, so here we have completed the sixth one exercise as well. So alright children, so now it's homework time. Solve the worksheet in your notebook. This is the first homework, children. I will give you one worksheet, and the link is also there in the description from where you can find out the worksheet. And that worksheet you have to solve in your notebook. And then the second homework is that solve the textbook exercises with the help of study material. As I told you, children, that study material will be provided on this video's description list, right? I will also send you one link on your WhatsApp number to download the study material. Now you can download the study material and then write the worksheet in your notebook and solve your textbook exercises in your textbook with the help of that study material. Alright children? Alright children, so that's it for today. Thank you very much.